How to remove My AI on Snapchat. In this video, I will show you how can you easily remove the My AI pinned message on Snapchat. So without any delay, let's get started. Open your Snapchat application and go to Settings. Scroll below to report a problem and click on I need help. Now in the search icon of how can we help, we need to type My AI. After you type My AI, click on the search option and then click on the first question, that is, what is AI and how can I use it? When you open that, you need to scroll below and then you will see the option of managing My AI. Click on it and then you will be directed to a page with numerous questions. You need to click on how do I unpin or remove my AI with Snapchat. As you can see, there's the option of Snapchat Plus. That means you can only disable My AI option if you are a premium user of Snapchat. But let me tell you how can you easily remove it if you are not a premium user. Simply go to chat and click on My AI. Then after go to chat settings of My AI and clear it from the chat feed. Click on confirm and when you go back, you won't be able to see My AI on your chat. And that's all. That is how easily you can remove My AI. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.